Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. So this tutorial is a updated brow tutorial. So what you guys see me doing here is I am moisturizing my face. I use the Pond's moisturizer, and then the brow pencil that I'm going to be using is by Maybelline. I will leave their information down below in the description box. So on one end of it, it has the little brush, and then on the other end of it, it has the product itself. That is basically all the product I have left. That's what I was showing you guys. I believe in my last video, I used two different products. I showed you two different ways using the e.l.f. Brow kits, and then I use a pencil as well. But this is what I have been doing for the longest. It's just using this Maybelline pencil. So I definitely have to get more of these. But basically what I do is just follow the natural line of my brow. So I start at the bottom of my brow, and then I move to the top of the brow, and then I just fill it in. So you'll see me do this again on my left eyebrow, and then I'll explain what I do at the front of my brow. So I'm moving over to my left brow, and like I said, you just follow the line of your brow on the bottom and the top of the brow, and then you just fill it in. Now this is just how I do it. I think this is, you know, pretty easy. It doesn't take me a long time to do this. I can put my brows, you know, do my brows quite quickly, and then I just take the brush to the front of the brow to kind of fade it in, so that it doesn't look so harsh at the front of my brow. Now of course your brows are not twins, you know, so they're not going to be exactly the same, but you want to try to get them as close as possible. So now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm using the shade Warm Honey, and I'm just going to clean up the bottom of the brow and the top of my brows. And I wanted this to be a talk through video, but I was getting ready for church on this day, and my kids were talking to me. My husband had the TV up loud, and so it just had to become a voiceover instead. So I hope I'm explaining everything clearly. It should be self-explanatory, because like I said, it's pretty easy. Once you start doing it on a regular basis, it'll get a lot easier. So I just wet my beauty blender, and then I just blended out the concealer. Now I always pretty much do my brows before I do foundation. I have done it the other way around, but this is normally what I do. And so this next clip you're going to see is me with my makeup done. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. This was my updated brow tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for tuning into this video once again. If you are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell and leave a comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and subscribe.